Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So usually when you turn on your PC, you notice that some apps start working automatically without doing anything. So basically those are the startup apps. So today in this video guys, I'll show you how can you disable those startup apps in your Windows 11 PC. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First you go to your taskbar, so right click anywhere in your taskbar. I'm gonna right click right here. I get this little menu, so I'm gonna choose Task Manager. Of course, we're gonna open the Task Manager and it's gonna look like this. Now, the left side of the screen, you get first, second, third. The fourth option is going to be Startup Applications or Startup Apps. You can tap on it right here, or you can just tap on these three lines and then choose Startup Apps right here. So you're gonna find the apps right here, and as you can see, status. Any app that says active next to it, that app automatically starts when you turn on your PC or something like that. So let's choose the one that we don't need to be starting up automatically. So let's say Snap Camera. As you can see, it's active. If I want to turn it off or deactivate it or basically disable it, I'm gonna have to right click on it and then choose deactivate or disable. So you choose the first option that pops up here. And as you can see, it's gonna change, the status is gonna change right here and it's going to be disabled. So again, you choose any app that you don't want to be starting up automatically, and then you simply go ahead and deactivate it. Now that's how you do it from here. Now if you want, or if you couldn't access the task manager from the taskbar, all you need to do is to tap on Control, Shift and Escape at the same time, and it's gonna get it like this. So that's basically a shortcut. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.